Hi, I'm George, and if you've been dealing with constant issues like weak teeth, inflamed gums, or the feeling that your oral health is simply deteriorating, you're not alone. For years, I struggled with sensitivity, gum discomfort, and that frustrating cycle of trying quick fixes like toothpaste and mouthwash that never truly solved the problem. But then I found something that completely changed everything for me. And before I tell you what it is, there are two very important warnings you need to hear. First, be careful where you buy it. Fake versions have started appearing online. The original is only available on the official website, which I've placed below this video. Second, this isn't an instant solution or a magic pill. It's a scientifically formulated chewable produced in FDA-registered facilities designed to work with your body and naturally restore your oral microbiome. So what is Synadentix and why is it becoming so popular? It's a 100% natural blend of powerful ingredients for oral and dental health, including guava fruit powder, microcrystalline hydroxyapatite, lactoferrin, lysozyme, and beta-glucanase. Unlike other products that only mask the symptoms, Synadentix targets the root causes of dental issues: harmful bacteria, poor oral microbiome balance, and weakened enamel. Each batch goes through strict laboratory testing to ensure purity, safety, and effectiveness. It helps strengthen teeth, reduce gum inflammation, improve saliva function, and protect your mouth from harmful bacteria. Before finding Synadentix, I was frustrated and worried about my oral health. I felt like nothing really worked. Every time I thought I was improving, sensitivity and gum discomfort came right back. Thousands of people have already made Synadentix part of their daily routine, reporting real transformations in dental health and overall oral hygiene, all without harsh chemicals or side effects. But let's be honest, every body is unique. While many users notice a difference within the first week, the deepest results appear after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. That's when your oral microbiome has had time to fully rebalance and strengthen. And to make this decision completely risk-free, the creators offer a 90-day guarantee. Today, I can sincerely say I feel like my mouth is healthier, strong teeth, healthy gums, and finally free from constant sensitivity and discomfort. Synadentix gave me back my confidence to smile, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I made this video for one simple reason: to share something that genuinely worked for me, and to warn you about counterfeits that could harm your health and waste your money. If you decide to try Synadentix, please commit to the process. Follow it exactly as recommended. Every chewable of Synadentix is produced under strict quality standards and goes through multiple laboratory tests for purity and potency, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. More than 13,000 people can't be wrong. The official link is right below in the description and in the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and rediscover the strong teeth, healthy gums, and confidence you truly deserve.